Hi everyone, this is Andrew from Tabletop Library. I am going to give you a quick run through of this TTL at home feature that we just made available that allows you to organize game nights outside of Tabletop Library, but using some of our tools so you can use it to recruit other tabletop members to your game night or borrow a game from us. Let me just dive in and show you here. So you'll see this reserve button. And if you click here, now normally you'll be able to reserve a table at Tabletop Library, but in your version of this will be disabled and you'll just have this option. So you'll start by putting in the location. It doesn't have to be at home, by the way. It can be at a local establishment, a coffee shop or whatever. Hopefully that's not confusing. And then you type in what you want to play. I'm going to add something, it's not in here yet, that will let you decide whether you want to use our copy or not. For now, we're just assuming that you're not, but if you want to borrow our copy, we're going to make that easy to do. You just come by and pick it up. And now here you can specify what time you want the game to be, or you can use this cool coordinate a time feature. So I can say something like anytime this weekend. And it will auto-populate the time blocks. You can also just do this manually and decide when you want to do this. So you're coordinating a time with the other people that are going to join if you're not sure when they're available. Once you get to this view, you can obviously invite people directly, and then you can decide who else can join other than the people that you're inviting directly. The default option here is this looking for gamers LFG option. Here you can say if there's a minimum number of players that you need for the game to be on. It's kind of in a conditional state before that. What the maximum number of players you're willing to accept is. So maybe, I want to play with 4 or 5 players in this case. And it'll make it clear to everyone that the game night doesn't actually happen unless you hit that, that number. Maybe I know there's a couple people that I specifically want to play with. You can also just like invite guests and email them. And decide whether new players are welcome or you want the players to have played the game before with experience. If you don't want to use this looking for gamers feature, you can disable that and then it won't be promoted on the Tabletop Library website, and just make it something that people have to be invited to. And now we've got our reservation set. You can see it's got all this stuff. You have a little comment stream. And what will happen here is other people will join. So here I'm another member and I come to this reservation and then I hit RSVP. It asks me what my availability is. I can, again, type it in or I can just add it manually. You can see here's the other times that are available. So I'm maybe like, available in that window, let's say. Okay. And then as the organizer, once enough people have joined, you can go ahead and set the time and you'll see a little interface where it'll show when everybody else is available. There you go. Yeah, so like this is the best time because all the people are available and I'll just pick that time and turn it into an active reservation. So that's the basic idea of how it works. Has some nice features that should make it easier for you to organize your game night. Give it a try. Hope you like it. Thanks.